In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel one item on a Shein order using the best method. If you find yourself needing to remove just a single item from an order, don't worry, it's quite a straightforward process. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Shein app or go to the Shein website on your computer or mobile device. Start by logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the Me icon or section. This is typically where you'll find all your account information. From there, go ahead and tap on My Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the orders you've placed on Shein. Next, you'll want to locate the specific order that contains the item you wish to cancel. Scroll through your list of recent purchases if necessary. Once you find it, tap on Order Details to see more about that particular order. This is where you'll find more detailed information about each item in that order, including the option to cancel it. Now, the ability to cancel an item depends on the order status. Check the current status of your order once you've opened the order details. If it reads processing, you're in luck and you'll be able to cancel items within that order. However, if the status is shipped or delivered, unfortunately, you can no longer cancel an item. But don't worry, in such cases, Shein does offer the option to request a return or refund after you receive your item. Assuming the status allows for cancellations, proceed to cancel the specific item. Still within order details, select the item that you want to remove. You'll see an option labeled Cancel Item. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, Shein will process your cancellation. Finally, let's talk about the refund. After successfully canceling the item, your refund will be credited back to your original payment method or alternatively to your Shein wallet, depending on your preference. Refunds generally take about 5 to 10 business days to be processed, so if it's not instant, don't worry, it's on its way. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily and efficiently cancel an individual item from a Shein order. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps you navigate Shein's order system with more confidence. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy shopping, or in this case, happy canceling.